Imagine a self-contained machine that can both print and cut materials. Now imagine that it's so easy to operate, mess-free, quiet, affordable, and safe that you can run it on your kitchen table. We named it the Microfactory, the world's first machine shop in a box, and we believe that it's going to change the way you make things. 1 year ago, 4 friends who worked together at an independent makerspace in Somerville, Massachusetts called Artisans Asylum decided to create a better prototyping and machining tool. Independently, they financed the development and testing of 5 full versions, and the result is the machine you see before you, built of love and caffeine by makers and their dream of creating better tools for others like them.
The original concept of the Microfactory was a byproduct of 2 problems I was having. The first was I live in a small Boston apartment and I have downstairs neighbors who have young children, so I'd come home from work and I'd want to work on my projects till 8, 9, 10 at night, and I found the noise I was producing was becoming an issue. On top of that, the amount of mess I was producing was becoming an issue for my girlfriend. So enclosing the system definitely solved both problems.
I started a product development company 3 years ago, and one of the first things we wanted to buy was a 3D printer. So we looked at stereolithography technologies, and we found that the parts were way too brittle for the functional prototypes our clients needed. We also looked at extrusion printers, but the quality was just terrible. It wasn't something we could show them. What we wanted was a low-end commercial system, but those are at least $15,000. I co-founded Mebotics because I believed this team could make it happen.
I studied industrial design, and I believe that the future centers around mass customization of products, people being able to customize things to their own personal wants and needs. Now, the Microfactory allows us to do that in ways that we've never seen before by combining both additive and subtractive techniques in one machine.
Well, heck, I just wanted to make a machine that Calvin could stand on.
The Microfactory's combination of additive and subtractive processing into a single tool gives it many unique capabilities. It can be used to print and mill, to mill quietly and without mess, and is fully networkable thanks to its complete on-board computer. The Microfactory can also print in 2 materials at once, which, with its 4-color printing system, can create some very unique parts. The Microfactory allows you to build your entire design, from making circuit boards, to printing plastic parts and project housings, to machining physical parts, all in one machine. Real life is in color, so the Microfactory's novel design includes 4 print heads with 2 independently controlled heaters. This allows the Microfactory to print in 4 colors of thermoplastic or 2 different materials. Mebots are designed for environments where milling, printing, and etching are desired, but traditional machines can't go because they are too noisy, messy, or large. Because the Microfactory is compact compared to traditional milling setups, it is also relatively portable. Connect the Microfactory to a generator and you can have instant machining capabilities anywhere in the world. Microfactory accomplishes this because it is loaded with innovations. The machine includes a vacuum port for a standard shop vac and a filtered air inlet with replaceable cartridge. This allows the machine to self-clean during milling procedures. The enclosed system offers a 10 decibel noise reduction when the doors are closed. The drive belts are covered to protect users from touching pulleys or the hot motors. A magnetic proximity sensor pauses machine operation when it senses that the door is opened. And there is a large software-enabled emergency stop button within easy reach. Because the Microfactory is connected to the internet, we are working on innovations which will allow you to remotely start your print, remotely monitor your machine's status, download content directly to the machine, and network your Microfactories together.
And all that sounds wonderful, but of course there's a catch. We need your help. We have big plans for the Microfactory. We want to make a pro model that's capable of milling steel. We want to continue to add wireless functionality so you can access your machine remotely in very cool ways. And we want to do creative things like food extrusion heads and interactive tooling. Please pre-order our Microfactory on our Kickstarter page at our special introductory price and help make this project a reality. Thank you.